Have you ever dreamed of baking your own bread at home? Bread that's golden, crusty on the outside, soft and airy on the inside, and wholesome enough to make you feel good with every bite. Hello everyone, welcome back to Cakelicious Neha. Today we are turning simple everyday ingredients into beautiful homemade baguettes without any refined flour. Let's start by activating the yeast. In a small bowl, add warm milk. It should feel just like slightly warm to the touch, not hot. Add in the active dry yeast and maple syrup. Give it a light stir and let it sit for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes frothy and bubbly. While the yeast is activating, let's prepare the flax gel. In another small bowl, mix flax meal with water and stir well. Set this aside for 10 minutes until it thickens into a gel-like texture. This will be our egg replacer, giving structure and moisture to the dough. Now, in a large mixing bowl, add whole wheat flour, pour in the active yeast mixture followed by the flax gel. Add olive oil for a softer crumb and extra flavor. Begin mixing until all the ingredients come together into a rough dough. Knead for about 8 to 10 minutes to get a smooth and elastic texture. Add salt. Whole wheat flour tends to be denser, so take your time and knead until the dough feels springy when pressed. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it with a clean cloth and let it rest in a warm place until it doubles in size. Depending on your room temperature, this may take about 1 to 1.5 hours. Once the dough has doubled, punch it down gently to release the air. Divide it into 3 equal pieces. Shape each piece into a long log by folding and rolling. Make sure the seam is on the bottom. Place the shaped baguettes on a metal oven rack or a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Cover the shaped baguettes and let them rise again for 30 to 45 minutes until puffy and light. While they are rising, preheat your oven at 230 degrees Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Place an empty tray at the bottom of the oven. This will hold water to create steam, which helps the baguettes develop a beautiful crust. Right before baking, score the baguettes with a sharp knife or blade. These cuts allow steam to escape and give the bread that classic baguette look. Place the baguettes on the middle rack of the oven. Pour hot water into the tray at the bottom to create steam and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the crust is golden brown and crisp. Brush the crust of the baguettes with butter. This will give it a shiny look. Once baked, transfer the baguettes to a wired rack and let them cool completely before slicing. This resting time helps the crumbs set and keeps the bread soft inside. And that's how you make homemade eggless whole wheat baguettes, crusty on the outside, soft on the inside, and absolutely delicious. Slicing into the baguette, you can see the crust is light and crisp, while the inside is soft and airy. The texture is just right for sandwiches, toast, or enjoying as it is. And here's a quick way to enjoy your fresh baguette. Slice it, spread a layer of pasta sauce, sprinkle generously with cheese, and bake until the cheese is bubbly and golden. The perfect cheesy baguette toast for a quick snack or tea time treat. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy homemade bakes. Thanks for watching. Happy baking!